Hi, welcome back to ODE YouTube channel. My name is Paulo, I'm here talking to you from Portugal, and I received another package from Germany containing Kaweco pens, and let's open this. And so, let's take a look. Okay, this is a package of, it should have two pens that I bought from Germany, from an eBay store that I bought before. They are quite nice. The guy running these is Jürgen, and I bought from him several pens already, and now I bought another two. So the store is called Gidania, and I will leave link below. Now, so the package is empty, just some newspaper, and we have here the pens. Let's go for the first one. So this is the name of the store, Gidania, on eBay, and Kaweco booklet, Kaweco sticker, and the Kaweco collection box that you already know, because I have one of these pens already that was sent by Kaweco. But as I told you, the pens, let me grab it, it's this one. This is the color Light Lavender, and it should be engraved like this, Kaweco Collection. It's a new line of Kaweco pens that are special editions for the year. And so for 2021, the Kaweco Collection in plastic is this one, and it says Kaweco Collection instead of Kaweco Sport. But there was an error on Kaweco Factory, or at Kaweco Factory, and they produced some pens with the regular engraving that says Kaweco Sport instead of Kaweco Collection. This created a big mess around the retailers and even for Kaweco, because some users wanted to have the Kaweco Collection because that is the special engraving. However, I got the Kaweco Collection from Kaweco, and I thought, okay, I don't care, I need to have the wrong one, because I think when you collect pens or you collect anything, one of the things that have most value, and not only saying about money value, we are talking about collecting value, is when you get some printing mistakes. That happens with stamps, with coins, and many other things that have wrong imprints or stamping. So one is fine, the other one is medium, but they are both available in each way. And so this one says Kaweco Sport. So this is not the official production. This was a mistake. This is just a factory mistake. He got some of the wrong ones, the batch with the wrong ones. So I asked him, he sold it to me, and I think he still has a few. I will leave the link below, and if you want to just contact him, there is also the contacts here. So you can also give him, send him an email and ask him if he still has the wrong Kaweco Sports, because I think this is a fun thing to have. But that's me, and I'm a Kaweco addicted. So let's put the nice lavender box aside, and now the other pen. The other pen is not, it's more special because it is more expensive, but it is not anything new. It is an older thing, but I didn't have it yet. They are quite expensive, so I buy one once in a while, and there are some that I don't think I will ever be able to get. It comes inside a metal tin, so it is a higher end Kaweco. The new sticker, the booklet, and here we have the pen, and this is the Kaweco Art Sport Pearl Orange, and this is a beautiful one. I'm not sure, let me take other stuff from out of the way. I'm not sure if you can see the chatoyance in this pen, but this is a beautiful one. Very, very beautiful. This is another pen from Kaweco Art Sport Generation 3. It is a beautiful pen. This one has gold trim. It is made of acrylic. It has a royal blue cartridge inside, and it is a very, 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 very beautiful pen. But they are expensive, and I already have some, but I'm missing also some. So about the color comparison, this one is like this. I recently got the coral red, and you can see it is very, very different from the pearlmute orange or the pearl orange. It has this pearlescent look, and some of the facets are really amazing, some of the sides. From this generation 3 I have a few more pens. There are still lots of them missing in my collection, but as I told you, I cannot afford them, and I think I already lost some of those. This is the Tiger Eye, which is also beautiful resin. This is the marbled red and black. This is the green and yellow, which is a very nice finish. And this is the metallic green, which is also very, very beautiful. So I don't believe I will be ever able to get all the Kaweco Art Sport pens from generation 3, but I already have 6, and I'm quite happy with these. And I think now that I have this one, this is one of the most amazing Kaweco Art Sports from this collection. In this side it looks quite simple and plain, but when you start rotating it, you'll see this pearlescent finish. So these are beautiful pens, and I'm quite excited in getting these. So this is all I had to show you today. I hope you enjoyed yet another Kaweco video, and check my website kawecomadness.com, and you can learn more about these little pens. And this is all I had to show you today. So I hope to see you soon. Bye.